Hey guys, welcome back to Science Skills and Life Skills with Vikhyath, Kiran. So today we're going to do a Sprite lab project in studiocode.org. So here we're going to delete this block and take a new block called make a new sprite called with this costume. So I'm creating a game where there'll be a bear, few honeybees and a honeypot, and the bear will try to get through the honeybees. Will try to get through the honeybees without being bitten by the queen bee, and the queen bee will be unnoticeable. So the queen bee can be any of the bees, and okay. So we are renaming this as bear location over here. It'll follow your mouse location, and we are also going to create bees. So we are creating 10 bees. So for that, we're going to use repeat loop. And here we're going to rename this bees, and here okay. So if you just leave it like this, it's all the bees will be over here. So for that, we are using the random location in the locations list. So as you can see, all the bees are at random positions. Now let's create our honeypot. So it doesn't look like a honeypot. It looks somewhat. So please bear with me. Honeypot, okay, created. Now let's go to more and search here pot. So this is why I told you it won't look like a honey pot. I searched everywhere and this is the only thing that looked similar to a pot. So let's put this over here to increase the difficulty so that the bear has to go through all these bees. I mean most of these bees. Okay, so let's set all of their size a little lesser because it looks too big. So we have to go to actions and you have to use the set size to, and instead of this block we're going to go to sprites and take this block and we're going to select bear size to 50. So as you can see, the bear size is 50. So one important thing to note here is that the bear and the pot is very easy to set the size to, but when you come to bees, it's not the same, because if you just give bees, only one of the bees will become 50. So it is over here, it's actually overlapping. So instead of this, we are going to sprites and select this block and select this. So as you can see, all the bees are small. And one more important thing to do is we have to use this edges block, and here we are going to give all of the sprites in this edges block. So as you can see, I have made the edges block all these sprites from moving. Now we are going to concentrate on how to move the bear. So in this one, we are going to make the bear go. We can let the bear go in all 4 directions. So I'm going to create 4 uneven blocks of when up pressed. Okay, so we are done with all our uneven blocks. Now, if you want to know more about these uneven blocks, you can go to my previous video in Play Lab. You can know more about this uneven block. So here you are going to go to actions, and here we're going to take this move this respective sprite 10 pixels forward. So one correction, very sorry. It is move 10 pixels here, north, south, east, or west. So that was forward. That will just move it right side to its right. So we are going to use this block. So as you can see, I've done all the uneven blocks. So now let's see how the bear moves. We're not done with the game yet. I'm just showing you how the bear will move. So as you can see, only when you press the arrow key one time, it will move. So for that, you're going to click on this when and select while for everything. So what happens is when you click on the arrow key, you don't need to keep on clicking on it. If you can just press it continuously, it will keep moving. So that is how it moves. Now we need to make the bees move. The bees are very stationary. So let's make the bees move. So for that, we are going to use actions, move. Not this. I just check the block. Okay. So you have to actually go to behaviors and go to wandering. I'll just hide my toolbar. So I have hidden my toolbar. So here you can see wandering. So you're going to leave it there, and now you're going to sprites. Behaviors, and you're going to use the sprite begins. You're going to drag this up. Okay. So you're going to do this, and you're going to move this, and you're not going to move that. You're going to just click on these. So now let's see what happens. So as you can see, the bees are moving. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to make an event that when bees uh, touch the bear's speed should reduce and the queen bee should become red. So if you select this block, then if the bear touches any bee, and that condition will happen. So for that, we are going to use this block. Just that it's going to be bees. So if it's not clear to you, I'm just going to show that to you. So go to events, click on when touches when. Okay. So here we are going to remove this and take my sprite. Click on bees. So there's only one thing called bees. So that's why I'm using this. Okay, so I think I've deleted that. Okay, I deleted this set size to 50. That's why they look so big. So now here we are going to remove this and take that my sprite. Click on bear, and we are going to execute a condition. Okay, so we are going to play the sound. So we are going to go to world, attach this here, and let's choose our sound. So I have chosen my sound. Okay, so let's see what happens. So the queen bee can be anyone, any. So as you can see, that was the queen bee. So I got bit and it created a sound. Okay, so we are going to now do code what happens when the bear touches the pot. Okay, So let's see what happens. I've coded for that. So let's see. So it created a sound. So now let's see which one is the queen bee. So that was the queen bee. Okay. So the person won't know if it win or not. So for that, let's create a title screen. So I have done that. So let's see. So as you can see, it has created that. It's, so I've touched the queen bee. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.